got my tent the other day from Walmart online, and guess what? This sucker is big. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys this cool tent that I ordered from Walmart. I'm so stoked to take this camping. The other day I picked this thing up from the store that was closest to me that they shipped it to. It was only 60 bucks, and my wife decided to buy it for me, so I'm very thankful for that, so thank you, babe. This is the tent right here. Check it out. Right here. And what this does is that this one, it hooks up to my 10 by 10 Ozark Trail, like a shade awning, like a quick shade. So if you guys have a 10 by 10 quick shade from Ozark Trail from Walmart, like most of you do, I mean, when we all go camping or picnicking, everybody wants a shade. So this guy actually fits them type of quick shades. So I'm sure it'll fit, you know, others. I'm sure there's ways to do it, but this one's specifically for the Ozark brand one from Walmart. So we got this and we put it up. I got it all together and I put it together in my backyard, and it really didn't take that long. It only took about maybe 15-20 minutes for the first time, you know, though. So it's like any other tent. For the first initial time that you put up a tent, well, you know, it always takes you a little bit longer than what the instructions actually say, because this one says it sets up in 10 minutes. Well, I believe it will take 10 minutes. And the next time you put it up, you can get it done in 10 minutes or probably even less. So when you get a tent, it's always advised to put it up in your backyard or put it up somewhere before you go camping, because you don't want to be out there in case you get there when it's kind of late and dark and you're setting up a tent, and, you know, in the evening, and it's just pretty sucky to do that. So yeah. Alright guys, so here it is. It's set up in my backyard, and there's the Ozark Trail. This is a 10 by 10 quick shade awning, and they're about 80 bucks, somewhere, you know, under 100 bucks. I mean, I'm sure there are other ones that you can buy, but that's what I paid for this one. So the actual tent that hooks up to it, so see how that is pretty cool. It hooks up right to it. So there's these clips, and they clip on the top, and it's very simple to put together. So yeah, just went around here, put the stakes on. So there's a stake here on the side, and plenty of ventilation with the windows. You got, and it's big. I mean, I'm looking, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's fairly decent. And so yeah, I really like this thing. So I'm just showing you a quick view of this all the way around. You know, this window, I got this one closed. Yeah, you know, it's pretty big. It's a decent size. Look at that. Pretty neat. That's a tent right there. The reason why she got that, my wife bought this for me, is so that I don't have to be crouching down on a little tent anymore and coming home with a backache after we're done camping, and, you know. So this one has a pretty good sized door. Let's get inside of this. Pretty good sized door. Now you got your normal, you know, zipper doors with the mesh, keep the bugs out. And of course you got the shade for your privacy. I'll go ahead and put all these up just so that you guys see. So yeah, I'm inside of it now. Check that out. That is pretty cool. It is pretty big in here, and I'll be able to put I have a nice queen size mattress in here, and still, you know, like, you know, if I have to change or something, it's pretty cool because you can do that in here without having to be all hunched over and stuff. So yes, I like this. I'm so thankful that my wife got this for me. So again, baby, thanks. So folks, I hope you enjoyed my video of me showing you this cool tent that my wife bought me. So get your stuff ready. It's just about that time to get out there and go camping. Make sure you take your family camping and try to take as many people as you can, you know. Make it a really good time, you know, and be safe out there and respect everybody else's stuff out there, you know. So have fun, be safe, and we'll see you out there maybe, or maybe not. So please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time.